Hello, my name is Anna Bazarne. I am a flower essence practitioner, aromatherapist, and the founder and formulator at Maitri Verde. I want to tell you how to work with flower essences. And this video is relevant on how to take the flower essences that are in the formula, the pre-made formula, for individual flower essences, not just by Maitri Verde, but the Bach remedies and the Flower Essence Society remedies, and also how to take your custom formulas. So let's dive deep in. Flower essences are energetic preparations, and they respond really well to your own frequency and vibration and intentions. So every time that we're ready to take our flower essences, we are going to set intentions and give it a good shake. So to set intention, you can hold your bottle, you can roll it between your palms, hold it to your heart, and think about or even say out loud the intentions that you want for the healing to happen, the goal that you're working towards, or what you want to release. Then you hold the bottle in your right hand and you start a so-called percussion movement. A percussion by tapping your bottle onto the palm of your left hand. And you do it for a little bit, continue to think your intentions, and give at least 40 shakes. Now you are ready to take your remedy. How often and how many? The minimum that you want to take your flower essence is 4 drops 4 times a day. First thing in the morning, last thing before bed, and 2 times throughout the day. It doesn't really matter when, but at least 4 times. Well, that's the minimum. But sometimes when you work on something really profound or something that happens more often, or you get triggered more often, if, for example, you work on a specific fear or anxiety, or you get triggered way more often than 4 times a day, then you can take your flower essence up to every 15 minutes, but same 4 drops. So if you're still in the emotional response, you take it every 15 minutes until you shift out of particularly stressful situation or emotional response that you may be caught upon or caught on the loop. So what are the other alternatives for this 4 times a day? When you start your day, you do your percussions, you smile, and you say how beautiful this day is going to be, and how many surprises, good surprises it's gonna bring you. And then one option is to take your flower essences directly from the dropper into your mouth. Mm, hold it in your mouth and swallow. Another option is to put your flower essence into the glass of water, your 4 drops, and sip it. And drinking water in the beginning of the day, well, throughout the day as well, is a very good habit. So that could be a good option for you to start your day and take your essence together with the refreshing water. Nice. Another option is to take the flower essence with your morning coffee or tea or juice or smoothie. So be really creative and see how you can easily and effortlessly incorporate flower essences into your routine so you don't perceive them as some sort of medication that you have to take or a supplement, but make it part of your life. So, especially if you don't like the taste of alcohol, you can definitely uh, put your remedy into coffee, tea, or a drink that will mask even the minuscule amount of alcohol that is used to preserve the flower essence. I use the French cognac, the very high quality French cognac, as a preservative, which has its own medicinal properties. Cognac had been called for centuries eau de vie, the water of life, and by itself is very high energy and medicinal liquid. Unfortunately, so many people are alcohol intolerant or don't want to take alcohol anymore. So, to mask any taste or smell of alcohol, adding it into your food or beverages is a great option. We all are busy, and I understand that sometimes we rush through life and we might forget to take our remedies throughout the day. So one of the options is to prepare a water bottle, and if you work from home, you can make your home water bottle and put 16 drops into your water that you will be sipping throughout the day. Or if you're on the go, same thing. Put 16 drops into your to go bottle and sip it throughout the day, and you'll be fine. And also, this is a good way to introduce flower essences to your guests and friends. Of course, you can let them know that you're putting something medicinal and healing for them, but this is a wonderful option to, help others in a very subtle way. Other options of using flower essences include putting them in your bath or the foot soak, where you dilute this potion and you allow all your body, like every cell of your body, to bask in its medicinal properties and absorb it throughout the body. So that's a wonderful way of incorporating flower essences. You can use a dropful in your bathtub and store it in the lemonscut, the number 8 shape in your bathtub. That's a wonderful, beautiful addition that makes a huge difference energetically. Also, flower essences can be used directly on your body. So if you have tension in the muscles of, for example, neck and shoulders, you can either put flower essences on the palm of your hand and apply where the tension exists to bless yourself, or you can even put directly on the areas that are tense in the body. And you can also apply uh, flower essences on the acupressure point. And in general, take the bottle of the flower essences to any healing modality that you are doing. For example, massage therapy or chiropractor point adjustment. That's a wonderful way to incorporate even more healing and use different healing modalities as catalysts to propel and make your healing more efficient and profound. So be creative, love your flower essences, thank them, and see how else you can be creative and incorporate them in your life. And I would love to hear back from you. If you found this video helpful, please put the like and subscribe to the channel not to miss any further videos from me. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I would love to hear what else you would love to learn, or if you have any questions about what I just talked about. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye.